I'm protected. Shawty so soon in my presence. The world going through it outside.
I am on my way to my nail appointment. So yes, I'm going to my nail appointment. Got my little princessy outfit on. Well, actually, no, it's not a princess outfit. It's like a baddie outfit. So yeah, someone's calling me. Yeah, so I got my nails done. I was crying last night, so I wanted to, you know, cheer myself up a bit. So yeah, burrito that I am about to eat. This is chipotle, so yeah, here's here. Nah, bro. It's falling. Not gonna cry over another man I met at 12 West. 12 West has traumatized me so badly. You know, like, I'm never going back there again. Okay, 100% never going back there. Actually, I'm gonna stay my ass at home and not go out anymore, not go clubbing anymore, because that shit can get wrong real fast. So excuse me again. This was a really big burrito.